Hi, Sproutlets. Welcome back to the Sunny Side Up Show. It's Healthy Sproutlets Week, and we have our special guest here, Jayne, the rockstar nutritionist.
Hey, Sproutlets!
So we got out all these fruits and vegetables in here. What are you going to sing about?
Well, I love fruits because they're as sweet as candy, except they're actually good for you.
Oh, yeah, they're sweet, but delicious and good for you.
That's why I like to call them by a very special name.
What's
I
that?
like to call fruit nature's candy.
Nature's candy. Do you hear that, Chica? Oh, that's funny.
Well, we could actually reach up and pick the fruit off the tree, and we could kind of turn
it's
it
like
into a dance move. What do you
It's a
think,
dance
Sean?
move? Yeah, that sounds fun.
Are you trying that at home?
Oh, yeah, and let's sing a song about, well, how about this? Can you do a cantaloupe?
Challenge accepted. The cantaloupe, cantaloupe, bumperlope. I got a case of the munchies, and I need something sweet. I won't go grabbing candy. Fruit is what I need. I could go bananas. Pears make me berserk. And yogurt on my pineapple is perfect for dessert. Hands up now. Nature's candy. Nature's candy. I'm singing nature's candy. Nature's candy. I got a sweet tooth for my favorite fruit. Nature's candy. Watermelon, watermelon, water do bumper melon. Don't need cotton candy. I don't need jelly beans. You'll find me with watermelon, spitting out the seeds. Toast with avocado, a slice of harmony. Or blend a smoothie with a frozen berry symphony. Hands up now. Nature's candy. Nature's candy. I'm singing nature's candy. Nature's candy. I got a sweet tooth for my favorite fruit. Nature's candy. You know why I love fruit so much?
Why?
Well, it's sweeter than candy. A tangerine, tangerine bumperine. But it's better than tasting better than candy. Fruit is full of healthy stuff, like vitamins and minerals and fiber that your body needs to grow big and strong. Have you noticed? A strawberry, 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 bumper berry. A great tasting food that's great for you. Well, that makes me wanna. Watermelon, watermelon, water do bumper melon. Nature's candy. Nature's candy. Nature's candy. Nature's candy. I got a sweet tooth for my favorite fruit. Nature's candy.
Awesome. All right, let's go play with our Noodle and Doodle friends. Great singing.
Oh, thanks, Sean. Thanks, Chica. Thanks, Sproutlets.
We're
Ready
out.
for some fruit.